Joost, what's your favorite AI tool nowadays?
Oh, I really like Lovable. It allows us to make great prototypes very, very quickly.
I wouldn't expect a vibe coding tool for a dedicated CTO like you.
No, well, you saw in the presentation just now that nobody's used it. So you're right to be surprised.
It was quite surprising, but as you say, you don't use it to generate real code for the production environment. You sort of use it for prototyping. So do you then replace tools like Figma for Lovable, or how does that work?
For our company stuff, we use Lovable or V0.dev or something like that to get some inspiration to create, well, screens sort of the way we want them to look. And then we use Figma to make a definitive design.
Okay, so it's an addition, basically, not necessarily a replacement.
Absolutely. It makes working with Figma much faster.
Okay, that's very cool to learn. So what shouldn't we do with AI tools nowadays when it comes to coding? What's an absolute no-go?
Trying to do really complicated things, having the AI design a whole system to do complicated architecture, or to increase complexity, it's just going to be a mess.
Yeah. So focus on the easier tasks, or relatively easier tasks.
Yeah, absolutely. Focus on the simpler tasks, indeed.
Cool. Final question. Generally speaking, what percentage of the code base for an average project is generated by AI or maybe touched by AI?
Ooh, that's an interesting question. I would say for us between 25 and 50%.
Oh wow, that's pretty significant.
Yeah, indeed. But it's really the simple part and not all the complicated logic.
Yeah, and you also count in documentation and stuff like that? Or is it like really code generation?
Well, it's the front end and the back end and the documentation, so all of it, yes.
Well, impressive. Thanks for sharing this and thanks for sharing your presentation today. We learned a lot. Thanks.
You're welcome.